Here's a short little problem for you to read. If an octopus wore shoes, how many pairs of shoes would it need? This problem doesn't have any numbers in it, but there are some words in here that suggest numbers. For example, an octopus we think of as 8 legs, and it's referring to shoes, so we're going to be thinking of his legs and feet. How many pairs of shoes? Pairs gives me the number 2. A pair of scissors, a pair of shoes, those are two. Two things are in a pair. A pair of gloves, a pair of boots. All right, so we have our numbers in this, but they were not obvious. We had to put numbers with words that suggested them. So if an octopus wore shoes, how many pairs of shoes would it need? Well, since shoes come two to a pair, we would have to have fewer pairs than shoes, than the number of shoes. So it looks like we're going to be getting a smaller answer because the largest number in here is the number of feet that the octopus has. So let's take a look at the calculation. Using the numbers 2 and 8, and we're trying to get a smaller answer. That only leaves a subtraction problem or a division problem, but each pair has 2. There are 2 shoes per pair, and that per gives us a clue for division. So we're going to have per or each pair. We're going to be taking the total number of shoes and dividing them equally. So this was not in the problem, it's inferred. So let's take our 8 and divide it. Let's take our 8, put it in the wrong spot. Take our 8 and divide it by 2. 2 divides into 8 4 times. Evenly, we have 4 pairs of shoes. As easy as that. The trick was taking a wordless problem and realizing that 2 of the words actually suggested a number.